Hi, I'm Shivam, the CEO of QualGent, and this is the demo of our product. QualGent is an AI mobile quality assurance tester. So if you've got a mobile app, instead of hiring manual QA or doing it yourself, you can outsource it to QualGent. Here's the dashboard. On the left, you'll see a list of test cases written in natural language, much like giving an instruction to a manual QA tester. In the middle is a recording of the agent running on on an actual device, running that test case. And on the right, you'll see the test results, which include the actions the agent took and the output. Now, this is testing like a real human. So the actions are human-like actions, and the output is an evaluation of whether the test case succeeded from a human point of view. And the reason we're testing like a human, or the way we're doing it, is actually not using any under the hood elements or like DOM manipulation like Selenium or Appium. We're not doing that. We're interfacing with the phone just like a human would, with taps and touches and looking at the screen. So over here in the example, we see that on the Perplexity app, which is one of our test examples, we're trying to verify if searching for the Apple stock shows a stock widget. And you can see that the agent is actually able to search in the Perplexity app for Apple and see that the stock widget does show up and that test case succeeds. Now, there's actually a lot of interesting ways where this can be expanded. And we can go to a different dashboard. Let's say we go to the stepful dashboard. We actually can do multilingual testing. So now we can see if the native language of the mobile device is in Italian, does the app actually inherit the Italian language in the app language? And if we look at this demo, we'll see that it actually does not. Right now it's not showing Italian. But just to showcase, the strength of the agent, we're actually able to take a device that's in a completely non-English language, and right now it's in Mandarin, and go and change the device settings to Italian. So the idea is if you're a multilingual app, you don't need to worry about hiring QA testers that know different languages. You can actually just have one QA tester, QualGent, that can test any language. And all of our tests run in parallel and they run immediately. So there's a run all test button, you click it, and then immediately the test will go to device farm and run in minutes, not days, that normal QA teams take. So this is the demo of QualGent. I'm Shivam, the CEO, and I would love to hear from you and answer any questions you have. Thanks so much.